Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So on today's video I'm going to give you a hack you can use to do your Zobo but in a different way and much more healthier. Alright, so on this channel, if this is the kind of content you love, please do well to subscribe to my channel, give this video a thumbs up, drop your thoughts on the comment section, and be rest assured that we will address it. Alright, on this channel again, I tell you that you must have something doing for yourself. All you just need is your Zobo leaf already washed, pineapple peels, ginger, apple, orange, clove. These are the things I use for this my fruity Zobo drink. Alright, add your water and bring to boil. You can do this for business, and I tell you, your customers will always come back. It's very healthy and it's uncommon. Then you can do this for personal use. Alright, at this point we've brought it to boil and it is ready for me to mix. So next thing I had to do is to add in my pineapple extracts. I'm using freshly squeezed pineapple, so the extract I put at this point, I want to bring it down, cover it, bring it down, sieve it, and this is my Zobo fruit mix. I'm putting in my freshly squeezed apple into it. I add in sugar. Sugar is optional. You can substitute it for honey or dates or whatever it is, but if you don't want any of this and you are good with what you're having, by all means enjoy your Zobo. Alright, but I want it to be more tasty, so I added in sugar to this. Remember, it is best served chilled. Add in my ice cube in my cup, put in my Zobo drink, and voila, my Zobo is ready. Thank you very much for watching.